If you're considering the purchase of an Ergosa packer, you're probably wondering, what packing modes do I need? Can the Ergosa process my boxes? In this short video, I will explain to you what the Ergosa pick and place mode is, how it works, and what benefits it can provide to your case packing process. The Ergosa offers three main packing modes: the horizontal mode, the pick and place mode, and the vertical mode. It is one of the only semi-automatic packers that exists to date on the market. By the end of this video, you'll know all about the Ergosa's pick and place mode, what boxes it's best suited for, and if it's the right choice for your production. What is the Ergosa's pick and place mode? The pick and place mode or manual mode is a backup for when the horizontal mode or vertical mode do not suit a specific box production. In most cases, 80 to 90% of your production can be processed with the main packing modes. However, we typically see that 10 to 20% of our clients' production cannot be packed using the horizontal or vertical modes. Those special boxes are typically boxes with more complex formats that are more challenging to process and require a mode that offers a higher flexibility. The manual mode can process anything, literally. It is offered in both the Ergosa A and C. With the Ergosa A, the pick and place mode includes one manual packing station for one manual packer and does not integrate any additional modules. Instead, it uses the tilting device integrated into the case rollers as shown in the diagram. In contrast, the pick and place mode with the Ergosa C can include one or two manual packing stations for one or two packing staff. And those manual packing stations are integrated modules and they're called the MAE modules. What boxes is the pick and place mode best suited for? This mode can pack any box you shoot through your folder gluer. That said, it is primarily intended as a backup mode for more complex boxes that cannot be packed with Ergosa's horizontal or vertical mode, such as crash lock boxes, auto bottom boxes, or tapered boxes. When it comes to configuration, the pick and place mode allows multi-row and multi-layer packing without any limitations or restrictions to the number of rows and layers you're packing. To learn about the pick and place packing process and the dimensions of boxes that can be processed this way, check out the article below where you'll find a detailed list with all the specs. Is the Ergosa's pick and place mode right for you? As you already know, the pick and place mode is the Ergosa's backup mode. So when the boxes you're processing fall outside the regular scope, this mode comes into play. Even if its performance is lower, it is the most flexible and versatile mode, as it allows you to pack more complex boxes with the same machine, without having to remove your Ergosa or stop your production line. It is always recommended as you never know if any complex box are going to be packed in your facility. Choosing the right packing mode is fundamental to ensuring that you boost your productivity and achieve top packing speeds. If you have questions that are specific to your company or you want to see the Ergosa live in action, we're happy to help. Reach out to us today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.